What's up, homies? In today's video, we will be reviewing Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treatment. It is a 1-minute hair mask, and I got the flavor, okay? It is the Avocado Extract flavor, okay? I think they have a banana one and a papaya one, but I'll leave everything in the description box below, okay? Now, this hair mask claims to do a lot. It claims to be a 1-minute hair mask. It claims to smooth hair. But will it add shine, give slip? Or will it be an utter waste of your coin? We'll tune into the next 10 minutes of this video to see. But before we get started, go ahead, scroll down. If you're new, click that subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, go ahead and click the like button, because we're going to wait on these newcomers, okay? Got hat. We're going to wait. So this 1-minute hair mask has a vegan formula. It's 94% biodegradable formula. It has no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colors. So this should be pretty daggone good. Now, this is kind of like a 3-in-1. So you can use it as a mask, you can use it as a conditioner, and you can use it as a leave-in. For the sake of this video, I said we was doing masks, so that's what we're gonna do. Now, the instructions for a mask is to saturate your hair, shampoo it, and then rinse out the shampoo and immediately put the mask in and leave it on for 1 minute. So I got my handy dandy spray bottle here. We are going to wet up my hair. Matter of fact, hey Bear, are you finished with the shampoo? Did you fall asleep? What the junk, man? This one won't get nothing done. Now, I went ahead and rinsed all the shampoo out of my hair, and we are going to get the slapping. Okay, so I can already tell you this is proving to be a bit difficult. This product does not have a lot of slip. And since I followed the instructions and I actually shampooed my hair, it is a bit dry. Now, I could have pre-pooed, I could have just used the conditioner, but I try to be a good citizen and follow the instructions, but I am literally struggling. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I'm starting at the ends and I'm working it up my hair. And the reason being is this product, surprisingly, it doesn't spread the way that I want it to right now. So I'm going to do it this way first, and then on the second or the next section that I show you, I'm going to wet the hair some more, and we're going to see if that's the problem. Because this right here, girl, this not what I was expecting. You see how I talked this up? Or actually I didn't. I was very skeptical. Maybe that's my problem. I should have been so skeptical. I made the product nervous. But okay, this section is a little bit more easier than the first one. I'm going to put some more product in there just because, I don't know. Comment down below. Do you guys ever just feel like the more product, the better? Probably a horrible way to think. Like if you've ever watched SpongeBob and you saw that episode where Patrick was like, maybe if you sing louder, you'll sound better. Yeah, that's kind of how I feel when I like throw more product into my hair. And what I'm going off of, just so we're on the same page here, my hair is not detangled because of course I shampooed it and then went straight into the mask because that's what the directions said. So you see how my ends look kind of like scraggly and like things are weirdly, just weird looking, like it looks off. The reason for that is because this is not providing me with a lot of slip and a lot of comfort or room to really work with. Like for it to have such a big statement on the bottle that says smoothing, I'm not getting the best smoothing appeal. Even with my hair being, even after like combing my hair out some, it's still not really impressing me. Let me see what happens if I do a light comb through first. Okay. So maybe that's what it is. I tell you guys all the time, if your hair is not detangled, it's really difficult to see if a product actually works for you. Because no matter what the product is, if your hair is not detangled, you're going to feel the bumps and ridges from the actual tangles. And it's going to lead you to believe that your hair is not actually soaking in any of the moisture that the product is giving. So detangling it first really helps out. So I'm not going to discredit this, because at the end of the day, you can get a smaller size of this at, what is it, Target. I didn't check Walmart. I literally got mine from Target, but you can get a smaller size for like $3. Now, for us natural girls, I'm not sure if that's going to do you any well. And if you buy 2 of them at that price, you might as well just go ahead and buy the big one, because the big one is basically the same price as 2 of them. But it's up to you. Now that I've detangled first, I think we're back in motion. I think, yeah, see, look at it. Things look a little bit more fluffy and not crazy death-like. I don't know if you even understand what I'm saying, but things are better now. Okay, that's just where I'm going to leave this at. Things are better. Alright, so everything's pretty much right in the land now. I got the hang of this mask. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and wait 1 minute. It kind of sucks that this is like a 1 minute mask. I mean, to be honest, it's not really like your girl got time for a 30-minute mask in the first place. So this 1 minute mask is realistically probably gonna work a lot better in my regimen. But I don't know, I like being bougie at times, spending 30 minutes pampering myself, a little baggie on my head, some cucumbers on my eyes, and a mud mask. But 1 minute, that's pretty needed in my regimen. So I'm going to leave it on for 1 minute, go rinse it off, and then I'm going to twist down my hair, and then I'm going to let this marinate. I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to simply twist my hair. Okay, so I'm back. Alright, now I have my, this is actually what I use as a headscarf. It's a beanie that I can use it as a headscarf. I can, go outside with it. And it has, silk and satin on the inside. And it's perfect, okay? It's from Skatsz, if you're curious. I'll link it in the description box below. They're a black-owned business. It has a little decal right here that actually is a logo of a black chick with a fro. And it has a little button. I actually take the decals and I put them on the back. That way it looks like a smooth, clean beanie. But on to the business. I went ahead and twisted up my hair just because I wanted to see if this was a long-lasting mask. Because some masks, for me, literally only work right after the wash. And then afterwards, it's kind of up to me to moisturize. Now, to really see if this truly worked, I didn't even, what's the word I'm looking for? I didn't use heavy products for this at all. I used olive oil and shea butter. And honestly, that's it. I didn't use a gel. I didn't use anything. And I also let this marinate for 2 days. And I'm going to take it down and we're going to analyze, okay? Be right back. So just to get down to the nitty gritty, this is not going to be a mask you're going to want to use after, you know, damaging your hair, or if you've gone a really long time without doing your hair. This isn't going to be that kind of mask that's going to fix all of your type 4 problems after you've neglected your hair. It's just not. I really wanted it to be because it's a super inexpensive mask. But what I can say is this is the kind of mask you want to use, because mind you, it's only a 1-minute mask, but this is the kind of mask that you're going to want to use if you're in the shower, your hair is really within good standing. It's going to be the perfect mask for that. And I actually feel kind of bad that I reviewed it on very neglected hair, because what I actually showed you guys was, yeah, look at this. I mean, my hair is relatively okay. It's not pathetic, but you can definitely see that I still have like single strand knots. I have single strand knots that have long pieces of hair knotted to it still. And usually when I wash my hair, I get a product like a conditioner product or even a shampoo that has really good slip, so I can really get in there and detangle. I kind of thought that this mask was going to have like an amazing amount of slip, and it did not. So it led me to have to kind of scramble to figure out what I was going to do with my hair, and also figure out a way to still show the mask. Because at a point I kind of wanted to just rinse the whole mask out and then grab one of my like good conditioners and just kind of, you know, fix my hair and then refilm this video again. But it is stand true, like this is not going to be a mask that is going to fix your natural hair problems. So I really enjoyed it though, because mind you, it's only if you want to get a small version of it, because I found that I really didn't need that much. I could have actually bought the sample size for like $3-4 if I hadn't tried to apply it on neglected natural hair. Hope that makes sense, but go ahead, leave a comment on if you have ever tried this mask, and then leave a comment telling me what is the best mask to use if you are in a 911 situation with your hair, okay? If you post a mask and I actually review the mask, I will take your comment and I will put it in that video, okay? That way, I'm not the only one who thinks the mask is good. I will leave your little comment on the video so people can see at least 2 people have tried the mask and had a good time with it, okay? So I will see you guys in my next video. Click that thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.